Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Facebook Live. Today, we're here to talk about enjoying a green and screen-free summer with KIWI. My name is Annie. I'm your Chief Mom Ambassador here at Mom's Meet, and I have here with me today the lovely Maureen
Hi,
Frost. She is our editor of KIWI Magazine, which you see the cover right back here. Show us that beautiful cover.
Let's take a look at that. Here's our beautiful cover, cute little girl eating watermelon anyway.
Very cute, very cute. So if you're joining us today, make sure you say hi to us. We can see your comments coming through the screen. So we want to chat with you. We want to hear what you have to say. Hi, Maria and Andrea and Kimberly. Thanks for joining us. So make sure you're posting your comments right here on this video. We're going to be doing a giveaway here. Of course, we love giveaways around here. So, so in order to win, we'll want to see that you're, participating with us. So again, have fun. I'm sure we're going to get into the prizes here soon. Before we get into our topic today, I want to just tell you a little bit more about Mom's Meet. For those of you who don't know who Mom's Meet is or what we are a large online community of mom ambassadors who love to sample new products as a mom ambassador. We also love getting together and discussing hot topics. We, are passionate about raising healthy families, and that's what the mission of KIWI is, and as well as Mom's Meet. So that's what we're all about. Make sure you join Mom's Meet. Go to momsmeet.com. It's a free membership to join and become a mom ambassador with us. And then a little bit about KIWI. Of course, you guys, we just showed you the cover, but KIWI is a digital magazine. It's available on KIWI Mag Online, and it's available on momsmeet.com. If you go, it's free to you. It's filled with really helpful content. If you're interested, again, in raising healthy families, that's what we want to make sure that you guys have the most up-to-date information. You guys, are have all the resources you need to really raise a happy family, a healthy family. So let's talk about what is up for grabs with prizes. So we're going to be doing 7 winners today. So we have 5 copies of the Screen-Free Fun activity book, which is great. I was thumbing through this earlier, and I told Maureen I really need to have this for myself and my kids.
It's really
for
fun.
Summer.
There's so many good ideas in there, and not just for summer. You can, have it handy all year round too.
So we have 5 copies of this to give away, and then we have 2 copies of a beautiful smoothie bowl cookbook that we're also going to give away as well.
Yeah, these recipes are as gorgeous as they are delicious. So once you flip through, and also we have 3 of these recipes available in KIWI Magazine right now. So be sure to check them out for a taste of what's there.
Okay, so these are the goodies that we're going to be giving away. And just to make sure you're leaving comments on this video, share the video if you have a friend who you think might be interested in this. And then we'll announce the winners tomorrow at 3 o'clock Eastern time on our Facebook page. So having said all that, I want to let Maureen share with you guys, the information or the some of the good content that is in this summer issue of KIWI.
Yeah, absolutely. So happy summer, everyone. Yay. Summer is my favorite time of year, so I'm super excited. And, every time we put out a new issue, I always think this is my favorite issue ever. But so I feel the same way about this one. This is now my favorite issue ever. There's so much good stuff in there, and it's really fun, really practical things that you can use for your family's summer to have a really great summer. So first up, Annie kind of mentioned it, we're talking about getting away from the screens this summer and figuring out how to get back to nature and really just enjoy being with your family and being outdoors, and just exposing your kids to that and making sure that they have an unforgettable summer that's not in front of their technology all the time. So I know that's a struggle with parents all the time. So we're kind of giving you some practical tips there. And I want to ask you, I mean, what are your favorite things to do with your kids out, like in the summer, outdoors?
Yeah, I mean, thankfully we live near the beach, so that's our favorite activity in the summer is going to the beach. But yeah, I mean, I struggle that. I mean, I think all the moms here, let us know if you agree with me, but keeping your kids off of screen and devices is a big challenge in my household. I mean, my kids are just, I don't know. The minute my son wakes up in the morning, he's always asking, "Can I watch something?" I'm like, "Really? You're gonna ask me that? You're not gonna say good morning. You're just you're gonna ask me if you can watch something." So it's a big challenge for our house, and so I really try my very best, to get the kids off of the screen, and that's why I'm so excited about this book.
Exactly.
Lots of good ideas. So yeah, I mean, I think in the summer, I think as moms, we just have to be really conscious about that. And the more tips we can get with KIWI, but also moms definitely, we all have our own tips and strategies on dealing with this. So yeah.
So we also asked our moms on Facebook what their favorite things to do with their family, what their favorite things to do when they were kids were in the summer, and they came up with some really great ideas. Playing manhunt, which Annie wasn't aware of what that was.
I had no idea. I've never heard of a manhunt before.
Yeah, so that's just a fun backyard tag.
Explain manhunt.
All right, manhunt would be, let's see. So you have a group of people, and then once you find the person who's going to find someone, then they find the person, then that person joins them in the hunt for everyone else until you get down to the last person. Manhunt.
That sounds a lot of fun.
So some other things were catching fireflies, going to the beach and the amusement park, going for hikes, camping, s'mores, all the classic great things. They're timeless. You did them as kids. Your kids will love to do them too. So just think back to what you used to do and, try and expose your kids and bring that into your life a little bit more too.
Yeah. Well, Megan Huggins is saying, what did she just say? I love flashlight tag. Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
A little dangerous because what if they trip over? You could trip over things.
And there's capture the flag. There's so many backyard neighborhood games that are so great. You just grab all the kids around, and that's the type of carefree. You don't need to schedule it. You just kind of go out there and have some fun. So that's good.
So now in the KIWI issue, so there's a lot of tips on that topic.
Yeah. So we actually. There's a lot of tips. We share some of the activities from this book too. And one of the great ones that I wanted to talk about is letting your kids be bored in the summer. You don't have to overschedule them. Just letting them use their imagination, letting them figure out what they want to do, and just be creative on their own. You don't have to schedule every single 15 minutes to make sure that they have something that they're doing that way. I don't remember being overscheduled when I was younger. That way you go out and you just decide what you want to do, and you have free time and you make things up.
No, I agree with you. I think a lot of moms can agree too that we tend to run on such an overscheduled kind of environment lately with sports and extracurriculars. So if we can kind of really open that up in the summer and be more free, that just sounds amazing to me.
Who doesn't want more free time?
Yeah, exactly.
So spontaneous.
I was telling Maureen earlier, I said, I have a tip I want to share for all of you moms. I'm wondering what to do if your kids come up to you and say that they're bored. And you guys might already be doing this, but what we do at our house is if the kids tell me they're bored, they immediately get a chore to do. So
smart.
So it's a win-win because it kind of makes them think twice.
Yeah.
But also, I actually can get some housework done through this.
Genius, right here.
So that's my little tip to you guys. But make sure you're sharing your tips too, because I need some new ideas as well.
Yeah. Let's help each other out.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so be sure to read that article. It's going to be great, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do with your family in that article.
Okay, so, great.
There's some more stuff that we have for the summer. So we have some tips for safe grilling. We have tips for hitting your farmer's market at the right time, all of that type of thing.
Nice.
We also have some really great beach reads for mom, too, from Book Clubbish. So that's really great. So mom, take your book, go to the back porch, go to the beach, and relax.
Yeah, but I don't have time to read because I have to watch my kids.
But your kids will be entertaining themselves.
Oh, right.
And you will be reading. It's going to be great.
Okay.
And then also we have all of these amazing smoothie recipes in the issue too. So, yeah, all of those things will lead to a great summer.
Definitely.
Okay, so one more thing for summer. So we had Dr. Sears contribute an article for this issue, which was really exciting. If all of you aren't familiar with Dr. Sears, he's a parenting expert. He's been around for years. I think he and his wife have written somewhere in the 40+ books for parenting. So he really knows his stuff. So he actually contributed a story to help parents with their kids in the summer and with their dietary issues that might come up. And, you know, constipation, going to the bathroom, those are things that as a parent you actually have to think about, you know.
Yes, the unfortunate things we have to deal with.
So he's got some really great tips in there that are especially timely for summer too. So be sure to check that out. And we have some exciting news. He is joining us at Summit this year as our keynote speaker.
Yes. So for those of you who are interested in the WOW Summit or are coming, we're so thrilled to have Dr. Sears on board.
Yeah, so. I think we also have one more day of early bird tickets for WOW Summit too.
Oh, right.
I think it ends tomorrow. Ends today.
You guys, today is the last day for early bird, and it's a really great deal. So definitely,
So come join us, see Dr. Sears, and get a discount.
And see us too.
We'll be there. Okay. So next up, we kind of move into the green area because obviously at KIWI, we really care about going green and caring about the ingredients that we have and all of the products that we use.
Yes.
So I first met Jenny Duransky at our last summit, and she talked to us about her green beauty and green nail salon that she has in Chicago.
Right.
So her story was so interesting. She shared with us that, you know, when she was first working as a certified nail technician, she got very sick from all of the fumes and all of the products that she was using in the nail salon. So from there, she kind of, you know, started to become her own advocate for green beauty and really realized and dug into what's actually in the products at the nail salon. So what's in your nails, what's also in the lotions that are on there, what's in the fumes in the air. And, you know, a lot of it is actually really dangerous. And it's something that you don't necessarily think about at the nail salon because you're just going to get primped and pampered and, you know, it's your me time and everything. But
well, I always think about it when you're smelling. It's just such a strong odor.
It's so potent. And, you know, that stuff is not great for you. So, a lot of these toxic ingredients that are at your regular salon can be endocrine disruptors, carcinogens, and can also cause developmental issues with babies too. So it's really important that you get educated on it. And Jenny shares with us a lot of some really great information. And then she also gives some really practical tips that you can use the next time you go to the salon to lessen your exposure to this. So it's really great. I highly suggest anyone that goes to the nail salon use this nail polish in general just to read this issue.
So you saying I have to
I think you need
it.
You need to read it.
I do go get my nails done for, you know, just to get like a moment of peace.
I know, and you don't have to stop doing that. You just have to be conscious of what products they're using and what type of salon you're going to, and making sure that you're going to one that also cares about the ingredients in their products.
Yeah. Good. Great.
So that is our main story, but we also have some more green tips for you in here. We have some green tips for you for lawn care. We also have some insights into how to get your family involved in the upcycled eating trends. So taking not
upcycled.
So let's say that you have let's see, food scraps or anything like that, turn it into a broth, things of that nature, compost. So ways to use your food and not actually just continue to throw everything away. So it's really great. So that they're all simple tips that you can use in your house, which is really nice. And then lastly, we also have some really great brands for toxic-free feminine care, because that's really important for all women too.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. Okay, good.
Okay. So our last story that we are going to touch on today is postnatal depletion. Now, this was a new topic to me once this book hit my desk, so I instantly became really interested in the topic. We've obviously all heard of postnatal depression, but postnatal depletion, probably not as much.
Yeah, I haven't heard of the depletion. Yeah, I didn't really know what it was.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a really important story that moms, even if you're not a mom yet, you want to be a mom, you have newborns, you have kids that are 10 years old. Like this could be affecting you at any point in that age range too. So what it really is, they're a doctor from Australia. His name is Dr. Oscar Serlock. He was a doctor of functional medicine with a special interest in postnatal well-being. He kept seeing women coming into his practice who were just completely depleted, overwhelmed, overtired, and didn't feel like they could get back to their normal selves before they had their baby. And so what it ended up being is a lot of them were suffering from extreme nutrient deficiencies from their pregnancy. So
and this is more exhaustion than the normal exhaustion that all moms have.
Every mom has this tired level here, but this is something that you can't actually function in your normal life. So it's taking it to the next level, and you're not actually able to be happy and live your life. It really makes sense if you think about it. The baby needs all the nutrients that you're giving it during your pregnancy and while you're nursing, and therefore you might not get the nutrients that you need in that situation. So he has some really great tips and really great guides in his book. And we have an excerpt from his book to get you started in this issue too. So it's a really important story. I think every mom to be should really be reading it. Right.
Yeah. And so again, just to clarify, it's not the same thing as postnatal depression.
No, this is syndrome. They're kind of on the same spectrum. He explained it, but they're not the same thing. This isn't as extreme, I guess, is what he was saying.
Okay.
But it's so really important.
Sounds like a very good read. So all right, good. Absolutely. All right. So everyone, again, don't forget to go to momsmeet.com to pick up the latest issue of KIWI. You can read it right on the computer. You just flip right through it. Or I think you can download it.
You can download it.
Okay. Yep. So it's free to access, but we highly recommend it. A lot of good information, and that's what we want from you guys. For you guys is to have this information at your fingertips so that you can again help other moms that you know, and be able to have the knowledge to make the right choices for your family. So, all right. So the issue is available on both momsmeet.com and KiwiMagOnline.com. And we will be announcing the 7 winners of the giveaway tomorrow at 3:00. So make sure you guys keep sharing this video and liking it and leaving comments. And then you'll just be automatically entered to win. So I think that's it. And thanks for all the great comments.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of, great things. A lot of you guys love KIWI. And so we think that's great. Thank you so much for your support. And hope you guys. All
right, we'll see you next time in the fall when we're back to school, but we won't think about that yet. Summer.
Yeah, focus on summer next. But I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
Bye, everyone.